In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently search and filter messages in Microsoft Teams. This is especially useful when you're trying to track down a specific conversation or piece of information amid the sea of messages your Teams might hold. Whether for a quick reminder or for finding an important attachment, we'll go through all the necessary steps to make your search as straightforward and effective as possible. To start, you'll need to head over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you've arrived at the Teams website, you will be prompted to sign in. Make sure you sign in using your Microsoft account. Your account credentials are what automatically sync your access and permissions across Microsoft services, giving you a seamless experience. After signing in, the dashboard with all your teams and channels will be visible. Now let's dive into the search functionality, which can significantly streamline finding specific content. Located at the top of your Teams window, you'll see the search bar. Click on it. This is where you'll enter your keyword or phrase. Think of this as the main keyword related to the topic or message you're trying to locate. Keywords are essential because they help Microsoft Teams sift through all your communications to find a match. Once you've entered your keyword, you'll likely see a plethora of results. To make this more manageable, using filters can be incredibly effective. Directly after performing your search, look for the filter option, which appears as a small funnel icon. Click on this icon, and it will give you the ability to hone in on your search results based on dates. Filtering by date is a powerful tool because it allows you to narrow down the time frame in which you believe your message might have occurred. Under the date filter, you'll find several options: today, yesterday, last 7 days, and custom range. Choose the one that best suits your searching needs. For instance, if the information you're looking for was mentioned in a recent meeting, selecting today or yesterday could be apt. If, however, you need to look back a bit further, last 7 days offers a broader search within the week. Opting for custom range enables you to set specific start and end dates, which is perfect if you remember approximate dates but need precision. Once you've set your desired filters, your search results will automatically update to reflect these constraints, making it much easier to pinpoint what you're searching for. Remember, mastering the art of searching within Microsoft Teams can save you a great deal of time and keep your workflow fluid. By using the search bar in conjunction with date filters, you can navigate your communications effectively and never lose track of vital information again.